Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Taylor and I'm so happy to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my oven like a professional. This is much needed and I'll be cleaning it without harsh chemicals. Make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe button and also turn the notification bell on so you never miss out on a new video. Now let's get at it and get it done. I'm going to show y'all a quick before of what my oven looks like. It is a total disaster and it definitely needs a good cleaning. And there is little Miss Callie. She is just so cute. Hey Callie!
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk.
I'm going to be using the pink stuff and a scrub mommy to clean my oven. I am a huge fan of both of these products and I prefer the scrub mommy over the scrub daddy because I like how the scrub mommy is dual-sided.
Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel fine. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. Think I'm going crazy. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna hold you close. Don't wanna take it slow. Oh, I just want you now.
I'm also using a dishcloth with water to help remove some of the extra pink stuff. I recommend having a few dishcloths around to help remove any extra product.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you make me feel fine. Wanna look at you all night. Wanna put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. Baby, you're beautiful. You're beautiful. Baby, you're beautiful. I wanna put you in that spotlight. Looking at you all night, all night. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.
Forgot that feeling, the sun in my face, it's so well needed. Life will take care of the rest. Biking alone in the sunset, through the canal, so the mindset I needed. Yeah, I needed. Oh, let's freeze time, gather around, watch the sun go down. Oh, in summertime, soaking up the sun, cruising around in this crazy town. Oh, just you and I, just you and I. peace within. Running around, are we there yet? Music is not where we all met. Just you and I. Oh, let's freeze time. Gather around, watch the sun go down. Oh, in summertime. Soaking up the sun, cruising around in this crazy town. Oh, just you and I. Just you and I.
Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am. And I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to do, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. look at me. I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems. I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. Back when I met you, we were like fireworks. Thought nothing could break us, but oh how we got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight, and no one knows the reason. We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me.
Alrighty y'all, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me. I hope this video motivates you to get at it and get it done. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and also leave a comment so I can say hello. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all!